Today I will share a strong and highly nutritious food called homemade protein powder. Hi all, this is Dr. Monalisa here, welcoming you to my YouTube channel Dr. Monalisa's Arogyam Ayurvedic Hospital. So let's have a look the benefit of homemade protein powder. I will tell the 10 benefits for having it. Number 1, you can avoid artificial sweeteners, fillers and unwanted additives. Number 2, it will be cost effective. Number 3, it will be enriched with whole food ingredients. So due to presence of this whole food ingredients, it will give you high level of energy throughout the day as comparing to processed protein powder. Number 4, you can custom it according to your body. Means whatever your taste and whatever your body needs, vitamins and all, accordingly you can prepare it. Number 5, it will be improve your bone health. Number 6, due to fiber rich food, it helps for digestion and can prevent constipation. Number 7, due to its healthy fat, it improves weight management. Number 8, it boosts immunity. Number 9, it will improve the mental health in kids and improves the height as well. Number 10, in case of sugar patient, it will help to control nervous weakness. So let's start how to prepare this powder. First we'll take poha. This is good source of vitamin B which supports brain health and keeps you active. Next we'll add makhana, a good source of protein and fiber. Next chana, this is rich in fiber, protein, antioxidant, beneficial for heart health and can help in weight management. Next we will add groundnut. This is rich in protein, fiber and nutrients like B vitamin. It's good for heart health, blood sugar control and digestion. Next is pumpkin seed, rich in protein, healthy fats and minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are important for immunity, bone health. Next is cashew. It contains magnesium which helps reduce inflammation and antioxidant. Next is almond. It provides healthy fat, protein, vitamin like E which is antioxidant and good for immunity. Flaxseed is omega-3 fatty acid which are beneficial for heart health and fiber. It helps in digestion and helps in weight management. After adding all these items, you can fry it so that it will be easily digestible. Now I am frying in my air fryer for 5 minutes. If you don't have air fryer, then you can fry it in manually in stove for 10 to 15 minutes in sim so that it will smell well. Then you can off the stove and cool it. Then you can make it in fine powder with the help of mixie, or else you can give your nearby mill so that it will be fine powdered. Then you can add milk powder. So milk powder can add extra calories, vitamins, protein, making it a beneficial addition to various meals. So if you are having sugar, then better you can avoid it. But for taste and smell, it will be very good. Homemade protein powder. You can add 3 to 4 spoons of this powder in milk or water and drink it well. In case of kids, you can add 2 to 3 spoons of this powder in milk. If you want to lose your weight, then skip your breakfast with this powder. I hope you will utilize the vitamins of this protein powder by preparing at your home. If you don't have any time, then you come to our Arogyam Ayurvedic Hospital. Here in pharmacy, it is easily available. So whoever wants this protein powder, you can comment me in my comment section. So if you like this video, then please subscribe this channel and like this video. So Jai Bharat, Jai Ayurved, Dhanyavad.